Hi everybody, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I am here today to share with you some autumn cards that I made last week, as well as share with you this beautiful card that I received from my sweet friend Patty O'Malley. Hi Patty. Also, I did want to let you guys know that I had mentioned in my last video several weeks ago that I was hoping to do a craft room tour this month. I know we're in the last week of this month. A lot has been going on in my real life, my personal life, and so I've not been on social media much. I've not been crafting very much until this last week. So every once in a while I will hop on, Instagram or YouTube and watch a video or check out different things on Instagram, but I've not been on either platform very much at all. But I am here today, so I will share with you this gorgeous card that I received from Patty O'Malley. It is so beautiful, Patty, and your note inside is so sweet, just like you are. And I will be displaying this in my craft room. I just love it. It's so pretty. And my husband saw the card when I received it that day, and he mentioned how he loved the background. And this is from a non-crafter. He said that background really makes the flower stand out. He said it's so neat. So there you go, Patty. You got compliments from my hubby. He really thought this card was beautiful, as well as I did. And yeah, I have this die, so I need to bring that out and start using it. And just this border die, so pretty. I love the bling, of course, and it says flowers are the music of the earth. And then inside, Patty wrote me a sweet note, and there is her handmade by stamp, Patty O'Malley. And if I remember, and I hope I will put Patty's Instagram link down below in the description box. She doesn't make videos, but she watches videos and leaves comments. She's always encouraging everybody. Super sweet lady if you don't know her, but go follow her on Instagram for sure. You will see a lot of her beautiful artwork there. So I have some older magazines. I think they were just simply called cards, and I've got some from I think 2010, 2011, and 2012. And I wish they still made those magazines. They were my absolute favorite. So I went through and looked at a couple of, I have, I think, a couple of autumn themed magazines. And I was saying a couple, I think, because I know they have one for sure, and that's where I got the inspiration for this card. I'm thinking there was another one, but it might have been actually a different month that I'm thinking of rather than autumn themed. Okay, back to the card here. So as I mentioned, this card was inspired by a card in the magazine. So it's real simple. I just put some pattern paper here and then have a little envelope. I put some ribbon that I got from Spellbinders, put a little bow on it, this little tree here, wooden veneer, and this little wood veneer leaf. Just added some bling here and there in fall colors. Popped up the pie here. It says give thanks and eat pie. My husband thought that was cute. Added a little leaf sticker there and one here. And then the acorn is popped up as well, and it says goodbye summer, hello autumn. Now I don't know about you guys where you're at, but in my neck of the woods here in Missouri, it has been one of the worst summers I think I've ever experienced. So hot and hardly any rain. Thank goodness, that changed towards the end of this month. We've been getting some showers here and there, but we're still in a drought. So we've got a lot of deficit of rain to, make up for here, hopefully next month. But I am looking forward to autumn. So there, oh, and I think, yeah, I just put a little trim up there, and then this says thankful for you. And then this one I used from the Frank Garcia, I'm pretty sure it's the Frank Garcia, that I used last year, the pink pumpkins and everything. So I used some Prima paper here in the background, and I popped that up. The paper, I added some pretty lace from my stash there. And then this is a chipboard piece as well as this. So put those down. I think did I pop them up? No, I didn't have to pop them up because they're chipboard. I added some enamel dots and then some stickles in the center of some of the flowers. And what else? Oh, I put stickles around the edge. I distressed the edging of the paper. And then I fussy cut this leaf from his pink pumpkin paper pad, not pad, but 12 by 12 sheet that I had. And fussy cut the pumpkins here and the flower and another leaf. So I think this is so pretty. Look at that gold and all the shimmer. And then inside I did more fussy cutting of the paper, and of the pairs are, individual pairs on the paper. So I fussy cut those and put them all together, and it says love and pumpkin spice, and this says Happy Thanksgiving. And I've been doing a lot of distressing on a few of these cards here. And then these cards that I'm going to share with you are pretty much basic, just using no stamps on any of these cards. And I don't think I used any dies. I just used paper supplies, paper kits. So I cut out this little house. I don't even know, oh yes I do, Auburn Lane. I think that's from, is it Page? Maybe I better not say who I think it's from, but it's the Auburn Lane paper collection. And so I popped up the flower here. I popped up this little square here, and this says Hello Fall. And then there's the little house. I put some stickles there, and this paper is from the Auburn Lane paper pad, and I put some black paper to mat that on. And then this says Give Thanks. This chipboard piece, I'm not sure if that's part of the paper line. It might be. You know what? That's not chipboard piece. It's a sticker that I put on some black paper. And then I did put a couple of stickers there. I put some dimensional dots to add, and then it's just blank inside. I got to put something in there, some kind of decoration. And then here's this one, and I think this is from Cartabella. So again, just did some layering of the paper from the paper kit and added some enamel dots. Popped up the stickers here, the pumpkin pie, popped up the leaves, and this says Blessed. Really cute, very, very simple card. And this says I love fall most of all. So there's that card. And then this card is very similar concept, enamel dots, the layers, same papers on the back that I used. I added a little bow, put an enamel dot there, popped up the leaves. It says Hello Fall, it's good to see you. Popped up the individual pumpkins and the acorn. So really cute. And then inside, at the pumpkin patch, and then I put a little pumpkin there. And my last card, another simple little card just with the paper. So this paper is a 12 by 12 paper, so I cut it down for the card, and then with some of the other leftovers that I had, I cut out some of the trees. So I popped up the trees on top of what I'm trying to say is there's trees around this house. So then I cut some more trees out and popped those up on foam dots and set those on top. It says Gather Together. I added a little enamel heart. Instead of smoke coming out of the chimney, it's a heart coming out. And then I just added the little strip from the paper, the 12 by 12 paper. I added it there. and then popped this up, says give thanks, and then fussy cut a few more trees. So those are my cards. Thank you all so very much for taking the time to watch. I appreciate it. And I do plan on doing a little giveaway. I went through my craft room. I have so many things that I haven't been using. So I set aside some to give to a couple of friends. And once I do that and send those on their way, I'm pretty sure I'll have enough left over to do a little giveaway with. So watch for that coming up, hopefully sooner than later. All right, have a blessed day. Thank you again for stopping by.